मेरा नाम शिबिर अहमद भट्ट है। मैं मामूसा पट्टन का रहने वाला हूँ। हम यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारा भाई जिसका नाम जान मोहम्मद भट्ट था, जो पेशे से एक ड्राइवर था, वो भाई इस मारिश को घर से निकला था यहाँ श्रीनगर से इसको पैसे लाने थे अपने मालिक से, जिसकी गाड़ी वो चला रहा था, जियो कंपनी की गाड़ी। लेकिन उसके बाद हमें उसके बारे में कुछ पता ही नहीं चला। फिर 4 अप्रैल को जो है हमें उसकी लाश मिली और it has been a period of almost 2 months and we haven't even witnessed a single thing about his murderers who killed our brother. We haven't even police is investigating and 2 months are almost over. They also haven't witnessed a single thing about the murderers who killed our brother, why they killed our brother. Whole valley would have witnessed that what was the fault of our brother. Everyone would have known that. And we also blocked Srinagar Baramulla National Highway, and SSP Baramulla reached up to the spot and he assured us that 70% of the case has been solved, and he also assured that the case will be solved within 10 days. But after that, it has been over a month and still we are waiting for the justice to prevail. If our brother had some fault, then it would have been clear. But he was innocent, and the murderer who killed our brother has killed the whole humanity. This is inhumane act. We, the family of our brother, are requesting Governor of Jammu and Kashmir State and DG Jammu and Kashmir and other higher authorities of police to please leave up this snail speed to crack this case. We requested them to please increase the speed, increase the investigation of this case, and put the culprits, put the murderers in the jail. We are still waiting for the justice to prevail. This is our request.
मोहम्मद के कातलों को पेश करो, पेश करो। मोहम्मद के कातलों को